name's Steve Biggs. I teach Foundations of Manufacturing for Tulsa Technology Center at Charles Page High School. My class is 1 hour class at Charles Page campus. It's for freshmen, sophomore, juniors, and seniors. Introductory level class, and we touch on a lot of different STEM areas. It's called manufacturing, but it should be more STEM manufacturing. And we just touch, like a week on CNC lathe, a week on CNC mill, a week on drafting, a week on electronics, and just let the students see which area they're most interested in or what they enjoy the most, and then they can, moving forward from after taking this class, they can decide, make a more educated decision on what field they may want to go into. To the manufacturing programs at TulsaTech, Broken Arrow campus, your junior and senior year. You can take drafting at TulsaTech at the Broken Arrow campus. There's welding. We do some welding simulation. It's not live welding. We do some welding simulation you can take at TulsaTech. And pretty much in the CAD and the CNC programming, the computer programming, of course you can go to college, do any kind of mechanical engineering, architectural drawings, any kind of engineering that you may be interested in. You're going to have a pretty good mechanical drawing and drafting background coming from my class. Students are interested in any kind of design, architectural design, mechanical design, computer programming. We put quite a bit of emphasis on computer programming, computer-aided design, drafting and design, and then basically that translates into some type of machining, whether it be computer-controlled machining or manual machining. I like to call it the try it and see if you like it class. Just give it a try. If you don't like it, well, next week we'll try something different. Vocational bound student, if a student wants to take my class and then go to Tulsa Tech and go to work, that's fine. That's it's kind of a good career route for them. But it's also, I've had a lot of former students that went on to college to do some type of engineering come back to me and say, hey, I'm glad I had that CAD class in your program, because I kind of had a leg up on everybody else. I kind of knew what was going on before I didn't have to learn CAD. When I got to college, I already knew a little bit of CAD and how to do some drawings when I got there. So it's kind of, you can take it either way. You can take it the college route or you can take it the vocational route. It just kind of really depends on the interest of the student. This year I've started a new class. The new class is called OK to Grow, Skills to Grow. It's for seniors only. It is 6th and 7th hour. It's a 2-hour class. First semester we do OSHA 10 training and certification. You get an OSHA 10 certification. You get a CPR certification, a first aid certification. We learn some basic drafting and blueprint reading. We learn how to use a micrometer and caliper. And I certify that the students are able to use all that equipment. First semester we do all that training. Second semester they do a paid internship with a local manufacturing company. The companies come in, they interview, they hire the students, and they do a paid internship during 6th and 7th hours, second semester.